Galaxy Z Fold 4. It is a strong contender to be the best Samsung phone of the year. The 6.2-inch HD Plus curved display has a wide aspect ratio. The 7.6-inch QXGA Plus inline foldable display features slim bezels for an immersive experience. The under-display camera also does a better job of hiding this time around. Both display panels have a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate. The internal display is compatible with the S Pen, and Samsung has equipped the Galaxy Z Fold 4 with Qualcomm's 4nm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset. It can be configured with up to 12GB of RAM and 1TB of online storage. The 4400 mAh battery is the same as its predecessor. The device is IPX8 water resistant and has a covered display and Gorilla Glass Victus Plus on the back panel for added durability. Check out our dedicated Galaxy Z Fold 4 specs page for all the details. The cameras on the device include a 12-megapixel ultrawide and a 10-megapixel telephoto sensor with 3x optical and 30x spatial zoom, includes a paired 50-megapixel wide-angle sensor. The cover display has a 10-megapixel selfie camera, while the UDC has a 4-megapixel sensor. Color options include phantom black, gray, green, and beige. Galaxy Z Flip 4. The Galaxy Z Flip 4 is here to fill the shoes of the hugely successful Galaxy Z Flip 3. It gets Gorilla Glass Victus Plus on glass panels for longer durability. The 1.9-inch cover display is now more capable, allowing users to send quick messages, take photos, control smart home devices, and more. The 6.7-inch FHD Plus Dynamic AMOLED 2X Infinity Flex display has a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate. It is brighter than its predecessor. Samsung has also retained the IPX8 water resistance rating of the device's predecessor. Samsung has chosen to use the flagship Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset for this device. It comes with 8GB of RAM and up to 512GB of onboard storage. The 3700 mAh battery is a 12% increase over the previous model. It also supports 25W super fast charging. The camera setup consists of a 12-megapixel wide-angle sensor. In addition to a 12-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, there is a 10-megapixel sensor for selfies. Galaxy S23. The Samsung 2023 flagship lineup debuted with the Galaxy S23 series. The latest Samsung phones in this series are the Galaxy S23, Galaxy S23 Plus, and Galaxy S23 Ultra. All three devices are powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset modified by Qualcomm for Samsung. Different RAM and storage configurations are available for these phones. Samsung has made some design changes to the Galaxy S23 lineup. The contour-cut design language of its predecessor has been replaced with a more linear and sleek design that highlights the camera cutout. The Galaxy S23 Ultra retains the boxy design as it is the spiritual successor to the Galaxy Note. The company has equipped the Galaxy S23 with a 6.1-inch FHD Plus Dynamic AMOLED 2X flat display with a variable refresh rate of 48-120Hz. It also features a 50-megapixel primary sensor with 12-megapixel ultra-wide and 10-megapixel telephoto sensor with 3x optical zoom. There is also a new 12-megapixel front-facing camera. The battery capacity has been increased to 3900 mAh and it supports 25W wired fast charging. You can buy it with 8GB RAM and 128,256,512GB internal storage. The Galaxy S23 Plus features a 6.6-inch FHD Plus Dynamic AMOLED 2X flat display that also offers a 48 to 120Hz refresh rate. It has the same camera setup as the base model. The battery capacity of this device has been increased to 4900 mAh with 45W fast charging support. The Galaxy S23 Plus is available with 8GB RAM and 256,512GB storage. Samsung's top model is the Galaxy S23 Ultra. It packs the best internal specs and the company's most powerful cameras yet in a sleek metal and glass build.